Now, it's quite possible that you might be asked to define some of these words. It could be about they would want you to define social costs. So the way you're going to define what is social cost is you get 2 marks for saying this, that social costs are private costs plus external cost. Or you could say something like social costs are cost to the society. Yeah, social costs are total cost to the society. Now, we have mentioned over here that social costs are private costs plus external costs. So you should be able to define these terminologies as well. That what do we mean by private cost and what do we mean by social external cost? So let's write what is private cost. Okay. So the private costs are the costs of production that are borne by the business which produces the product or by consumer who purchases the product. So you can have certain examples for it. Examples could be, you know, how in order to produce something, you need um, the cost of raw material or like wages, maybe interest that you have to pay, stuff like that, which are directly involved in producing the good. Okay, we'll do a couple of examples also um, of it. Like for example, it could be simply अगर कोई construction की बात कर रहे हो तो it could be just simply the construction cost if they were saying कि कोई building बना रहे हो. Okay, that's your private cost. Then we want to define what is an external cost. Now, externalities are the third party effect. So, the costs, so we'll write what is external cost, the costs which are incurred to the third party. This third party we're talking about is uh, are people who are completely unrelated to the transaction. Okay. And one of the example for external cost could be like the noise pollution. You get a mark for saying noise pollution or smoke pollution. It could be congestion, like traffic congestion, etc. That's your external costs. Okay. So basically, in a nutshell, social cost is private cost plus external cost. So if I'm doing like a construction, the raw material, the wages, ये सब private cost है because I can directly see it कि construction building के अंदर this is what I have to pay. But as a result of that construction, what's happening is there is traffic congestion in that area because of construction happening. It could be because the smoke pollution that is happening all around, noise pollution in the sense the big machines are operating and the neighborhood is getting disturbed. So that's also a cost which is to the third party who's completely unrelated. Now, because the building is being constructed, these people are getting negatively affected because of that. All right. On the other hand, then they may ask you, Acharji, what is the social benefit? Can you define what is social benefit? So, the way we're going to define social benefit. So, social benefits are private benefit plus the external benefit. Or, in other words, you could say that social benefits, social benefit is the total benefit to the society. So we've used two words here, private benefit and external benefit. So then you should be able to define for one mark what private benefit is. So this I haven't seen this question anytime recently, but partially it comes. Like 2011 के अंदर पूरा question actually आया था. They told you, they asked you in part A for 4 marks कि प्राइवेट कॉस्ट बताओ, प्राइवेट बेनिफिट बताओ, एक्सटर्नल कॉस्ट बताओ, एक्सटर्नल बेनिफिट बताओ, इनकी डेफिनेशंस दो. फिर उसके बाद 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आया, अब इन सब की एक एक एग्जांपल दो. सो 8 मार्क्स जस्ट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर definitions. So you should know these definitions. Private benefit का मतलब क्या है? So private benefit is the benefit received by the individual buyer or seller of the product. So the example for this could be the revenue earned by the private company. Okay, that's the private benefit. और जो benefit consumer को मिला है for consumption of that particular good, uh, for which they're paying a particular price. Then you have external benefit. Now, external benefit is again the benefit which results the benefits which result from a firm's operation but which give benefits to the third party. Now, this is the benefit to the third party. मुफ्त में कोई फायदा हो रहा है. Now, this advantage obviously has to be to. So, example could be something like job creation because of this construction, third party getting nokris, or it could even be like rise in tax revenue for the government.